I intend to start the Awulae Kwasi Amakyi Educational Foundation. And like I said in the room, Rukaya is going to be the first beneficiary of the Educational Foundation scholarship scheme. We are looking, or we'll be looking for talented children and then sponsor them through education. We're looking for funds, both locally and internationally, to help. It's a foundation. We will grow it and then use the funds that will come out of the foundation to sponsor the youth, brilliant but needy students. Not only needy, but brilliant children who comes from the land. It's going to be for only children from Jomoro.
So now you made mention of you don't have resources. Your resources are coconut. Now, how are you going to fund this project?
I don't think we don't have. I don't think that we don't have the resources. That's a very wrong impression. We do have the resources, but we have not tapped them and then utilize them the way we could do. You understand? I made mention of coconut. Coconut can be used to do so many things. And this time around, we are reawakening our ability to use coconut to do those so many things that we are talking about. You understand? And the funds, the typical Ghanaian is asking, where is the funds going to come from? The funds will come from somewhere. And definitely, if you are determined, the determination answers the call. If you are determined, don't think about the funds, it will come.
And how is the conference going to promote the development of Jomoro?
That's a very good question. How is this conference going to help develop Jomoro? This conference is bringing the whole Jomoro people. It's an opportunity for us to at least sit at the table and begin to rethink, begin to talk about Jomoro. You know, we've been talking, but now we are going to focus on Jomoro and the way forward.
So what are the key
So
areas,
the last question.
What are some of the key areas you're going to focus in this conference?
Of course, one, we have the petroleum hub coming, and it is going to come. How is it going to benefit Nzemes? More importantly, Jomoro citizens. How is it going to benefit us? That's one. Two, agro processing. And I'm coming back again, coconut. How are we going to process our coconut for it to benefit the Nzemes? We don't have to go anywhere. The coconut has already been planted. When you look around us, all over coconut. What can we do with the coconut? I'm going to preach this for the next 10 years. Do something with the coconut. Do something with the coconut. And we can. We are not going to look for it anywhere. It's already here. Let's do something with it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.